In today's video, we are going crazy. We are making the most fireball carne asada burrito you've ever seen. Sheesh. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I am your host, Farnum, and today we are getting into something that we've never done before on this channel. It's gonna be filling fireball. It's gonna be a carne asada burrito, that's right. And it's gonna be fire, I swear, by the moon and the stars in the sky. But before we get into that, hey, if you're watching and you haven't done so already, please scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button just like this. And stay tuned because we're giving away $100 cash to somebody in the comment section who types in the secret word, which I'll be revealing later on in this video. But hey, listen, we're talking super flavorful steak. We're talking corn pico de gallo. There's a lot of elements to this burrito, and I swear it's gonna be fire, it's gonna be gas, and all I have to say is B-roll, B-roll, B-roll. All right, so the ingredients for this fire burrito that you're gonna need are outside skirt steak, lime, avocado, garlic, orange, corn, tomato, red onion, cilantro, oregano, sour cream, white wine vinegar, Cholula, diced green chilies, pinto beans, ancho powder, or chili powder, cumin, grapeseed oil or olive oil, pickled onions. If you wanna know how to make the most fireball pickled onions ever, I think it's over here. I'm not kidding. 5 minutes. Queso Fresco and extra large flour tortillas. Don't do the mission ones. If I forgot something, which I'm sure I did, you'll see it here. And a jalapeno, but somebody used my last jalapeno and the stores are pretty much closed, so we're just gonna use some diced pickle jalapeno and hopefully get a similar vibe to what I usually make, so jalapeno. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, because we want this steak to marinate as long as possible, marinate the steak. So we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, the juice of 2 limes, the juice of 1 orange. Don't throw your orange out because you're gonna zest a 1/4 of that peel, a whole bushel of cilantro, tablespoon of fresh oregano. Then we're gonna do about 6 cloves of garlic. All right, you're gonna chop the ass off of the garlic, then you're gonna give it a smash, peel that shell off, throw it into your garlic press and into your bowl. Now you would do 1 whole jalapeno, diced up finely with no vein or seeds in it, but since we don't have that, we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of your pickled jalapeno, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of ancho powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black cracked pepper. Low-key, I'm gonna add 1 more lime to this. I didn't get that much juice out of the other ones. Once you've got all your ingredients in here, we're just gonna go ahead and whisk everything together. Once we got our marinade, now we are gonna grab our outside skirt steak. We're gonna go ahead and open these up. Now look at these, nice, thin, beautiful, a quick cook on the grill, and we'll definitely soak up all of this marinade. We just wanna go ahead and eliminate any gigantic chunks of fat because those are gonna be pretty tough. So I'm just gonna come in here real quick and cut that puppy out. All right, and that looks pretty good. So we're just gonna throw that in there for now. Make sure that these pieces of steak are completely covered. All right, so ideally, T, we're gonna want to marinate this for 3 or 4 hours. Obviously, we're not gonna have that amount of time, but that's gonna give it that perfect bite. All that flavor will be incorporated, but give that a whiff. Let me know how that smells.
Fresh.
Fire?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So basically what you're gonna wanna do, throw it in your fridge for 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll throw it on the grill. All right, next we're gonna make our corn pico, and this is gonna add a beautiful, tasty, crunchy freshness to that burrito. So first things first, you're gonna roast some corn on your stove or on your grill, just like this. And then we're just gonna slide our knife right down that and get all that beautiful corn off there. Damn. Next, we're gonna do a fine chop on our Roma tomatoes. All right, you're just gonna run your knife through your tomato a few times, going both directions, then do a nice cross cut. It'll cube up into a bowl. Next, we're gonna take a red onion. All right, you're gonna do cross cuts just like you did on the tomato. Go about halfway down the onion. Go ahead and do a cross cut right down. It's gonna be nice and cubed into a bowl. All right, next, we're gonna do the juice of 1 lime and about half a bushel of cilantro. Then we're gonna do about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. All right, now we're gonna finally mix. Next, we're gonna do our Cholula sour cream. So, all right, once we got a good amount of sour cream in there, I would say 3 to 4 tablespoons. We're gonna take Cholula and just kind of go till our heart's content. And I chose Cholula because it's got a lot of flavor and not a ton of heat, so everybody can enjoy. All right, and once you have reached a nice pink consistency, we're gonna throw this in the fridge, and when it comes time to put it onto the burrito, we're just gonna snip the tip off. And yeah, we'll go from there. And I think we got one more thing until we're ready to cook. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do, since we are gonna hit the grill, I got a cast iron pan. I'm just gonna cook my beans and my diced chilies on the grill. So I'm just gonna prep it out right now. We'll do this whole can of chilies, and we'll also do the whole can of beans. All right, so go ahead and give those chilies and those beans a nice mix. Make sure they're incorporated. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. It smells amazing. We're about to hit the grill, cook up, sauce up, boss up. Let's go. All right, so here we are out on the grill. More seasoning first, again. Basically what I got going on here is because these pieces of steak are so long, I've got both sides on high. So all we're gonna do is basically take our steak, and these are fairly thin. You can see when I lift it up, I mean, these are gonna cook in just a few minutes. And we're gonna go straight on to this grill. Just like that. Just like that. Just sizzling, all that flavor coming out of there is insane. All right, once you give it about, I would say 2 to 3 minutes max, we're gonna go ahead and flip. Just go ahead and check for some grill marks. Oh, dear Lord in heaven, look at that. Oh my God, amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna give that, again, another 1 to 2 minutes. And do not forget to grab all those juices and just get all of that carne asada covered so we stay nice and moist. I can't turn the fan on because it's mad loud, but after about 6 to 7 minutes total, pull that puppy off. Oh dear God. Oh Lord, we're talking about something special. And lastly, we walk through the smoke and we put our beans on. All right, while we wait for those beans to go, let's do a cut of this and see how we did. All right, let's see if we got a nice cut. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful medium rare. Let's see how we did, folks. I don't want to ruin it.
You gonna feed me?
Chew. Look at them.
That might be some of the best beef I've ever had. Oh, that's so tender and juicy.
Back to beansness. I'm sorry. That's hot. Blow. That's hot.
That's busting.
That's fire, right? If there's one thing I know here on More Seasoning, it's how to be loud as how to get a dog to stop barking, Lolly, and how to make some bomb-ass beans and chilies. Let's go. Damn it, she proved me wrong. All right, once your steak is done and your beans are starting to split and crack, you know that they're ready to go. They'll reduce. Please, I beg of you, on everything in my life that I love, do not grab this cast iron handle with your bare hand or you will not have one. Grab yourself a glove. We're just gonna go ahead and put those beans in there. Ladies and gentlemen, once you've got your quick cook carne asada and your beans and chilies, it's time to go inside, slice up an avocado, warm your tortilla up, and get it putting this together. Damn, I cannot wait. Let's roll. All right, so all we have is 2 things left to do. 1, warm these tortillas up on a low heat. It's gonna take a couple minutes. Just keep it on a nice low heat. And we've got this avocado, and then we're just gonna do slices right down the middle. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about there. So we're gonna go into the B-roll right now, show you guys how we put this together, and then straight into the taste test. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, or these are gonna get soggy. We got one new person and two OGs on the show, so bringing them in, it's my boy T. And the newest guest to the show. All right. Hey, let's waste no time, boys. Y'all grab one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Ooh.
So many flavors. The pickled onions.
That's a good ass burrito.
I ain't got to say. I'm just gonna, yeah.
No, just the steak, the avocado, the sauces, all combined, freshly prepared. So amazing. Just, I'm barely in a loss for words right now. Like, oh my God.
Some of the best food I've ever eaten.
Let's go. He ain't wasting no time. I would let you punch me square in my mouth if it meant that somebody would make this for me. So pucker up, boys.
The flavor, the sauce, y'all gotta make this bro.
Oh my God, bro.
Hey,
Hey, yo.
I'm leaving.
Whoa. Hey. Hey.
Whoa. My bad, bro. This is so damn good.
That shit over.
Maybe you want to twerk on it.
This burrito is amazing. I'll go a little lighter on the sour cream, obviously just because it's a little messy, but the flavor in this, the tenderness.
Imagine doing this overnight, like letting it soak.
Oh yeah.
The flavor would be ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yo, where the hell did everybody go?
That meat's so good in my mouth. Holy
That's good as
I have to be honest, I don't think you guys should make it because it's too good that you're gonna have to make it all the time and then you're gonna have to go vegetarian. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we smashed the burritos. We're gonna make more, but before we have to do star scale. Lead off, whoever.
5 out of 5.
Is that your first 5-star?
I think so, yeah. No words really, just a 5 out of 5, that's all I can say. It's just a good ass burrito.
I'm gonna give it a 4.9. Only reason I'm gonna give it a 5 is just we didn't a little less sauce. It's just a 5. If you go a little lighter on the sauce, perfect it.
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 because I thought it was fire and I want to be invited back on the show to eat some more delicious food. So that was definitely a 5 out of 5.
That's it. That's all. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The Carne Asada steak burrito. Adios mijo, that was freaking incredible. That best burrito I've ever had by far. The cool thing is we have a ton of leftovers, literally so much steak, beans, everything. I'm about to make a few more for us so we can eat more. So it's definitely worth the time, worth the prep. Also, it was worth watching this far because I'm giving away $100 cash and all you have to do is comment beef. Comment beef down below or put a piece of beef emoji. Hey, you might win $100. I appreciate y'all. Scroll down, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning. We sauced up, we bossed up, we carne asada'd it. Asada'd. Hey, I don't know. We're out.
Speeding.
Speed. George! Whoa! Yo! Hey, yo, what the f***? Look at the, show them the fridge. Speak. Okay, speak. Okay. All right, next we're gonna make some of our yaya sauce. I don't know, Leroy called it that, right? Was that you?
That wasn't me.
I did not call it that. Okay, never mind. Camera reaction. My love. Whoa, what the f***?
I don't cut that.
Blow like you never blown before. Give it a minute. You want a treat? Come on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beans. Hit your nut. Oh.
Yo.
Yo. Yo. What's good? You just farted.
I did not fart. I did not.